This is a video tutorial on how to use billing on Envolve. This will be a step-by-step guide on how to download spreadsheets to calculate how much to pay your teachers, and also how to calculate how much to pay your parents or students. So let's first start with teacher claims. Now you can find billing under the reporting tab under billing, and under teacher claims you'll be able to download a spreadsheet for all of the lessons that have taken place and the history of attendance for them. You can select which school and which department you'd like to download for, as well as for which teacher. I'm going to select myself here and download the spreadsheet. It's here where I can now see a list of all the lessons that have taken place, and I can set an amount I'd like to charge for individual, group or ensemble lessons. I will only charge for lessons that have attendance taken for them, dependent on which code is used. And it will also show any details or attendance notes that are taken as well. This will then total up the amount that I would be owed for this past term. Now for learner bills, you'd have to go to the learner bills section and again select the same term. Now in this scenario, typically if you haven't set up your billing rates, this will be an empty table. If you go to your school settings and go to billing, you can then set up the different rates that you'll be charging out different activities or for different teachers for. In this scenario, I'm just going to have a basic rate, which is charging out at £60 per 60 minutes of lessons or activities. And so then this means that I can then go to any activity and I can select under billing what rate I'd like to charge that activity out to the students that are involved in it. Now, a quicker method of doing this would be going to the activities table. In this scenario, I want to charge out all the lessons that I have conducted over the past term. I would go to my activities and I want to filter to the music department, and here I'd have a list of all of the clubs and lessons that I have done over the past term, and I want to bulk select all of them, and under action I can set a default rate. So in this scenario, I'm going to select the basic rate, which will charge out all of these activities, so all of the students are involved in them at the basic rate of £60 per 60 minute. This will then mean that when I go to billing and learner bills and download the spreadsheet for the past term, this will provide a nice list of all the students and how much they should be charged.